I'm going to create a new animation in Fireworks. So press on the Start menu in the bottom left hand corner and type Fire. Depending on whether you've got Macromedia Fireworks or Adobe Fireworks, it might say something different here, but it will definitely say Fireworks. When it loads up, again the splash screen might look slightly different to the one that's on here. Once it's loaded, you can ignore any splash screen that comes up here and just go straight to File and choose New. Choose a standard template size, so I'm going to choose 768 pixels across by 90 pixels up and down. That's the standard width and height for an advertising banner that might be used on the internet. You can choose your background color as well if you want here. I'm going to stick with white and click on OK. So I've now got a blank document. On the right hand side you'll see something that says States, or on older versions, Frames. Each frame can have a different image on it. I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to find a picture of a car. I'm going to type cartoon in after it because cartoons tend to work better as animations than photographs. I'm going to click on Images and I'm going to choose this picture of a car here that's side on. I'm going to right click and choose Copy Image. Back on Fireworks, I'm going to right click and choose Paste. Now the image is far too big, so I can use these handles to resize it down to a much smaller size and then move it onto the screen like so. Now this is only on frame 1. If I want to have lots of frames for my car to move across, I need to make copies of this. So on the right hand side I'm going to click on this tiny icon here which brings up a menu and choose Duplicate State. So duplicate state number 1 after current state. But click on OK and it's now made a copy. So there's my first one, there's my second one. They're both the same. I'm going to make this one look slightly different to the first one by clicking on it, clicking on the car and then tapping the left arrow several times. State 1 and state 2 are now different, but I need to make a lot more frames or states in order to make it look like an animation. So I'm going to click on the menu icon again and choose Duplicate State, click OK, and now state 2 and 3 look the same. But if I'm clicked on state 3, I click on the image and I use the left arrow several times, we can see I've moved it. Again, if I duplicate state 3, frame 3 if you like, and then on state 4 I move it a bit further to the left again, and again duplicate state 4, click OK, and again move the car a bit further to the left. Always duplicate the last state. Now I have 5 different states with the car in different positions, and I can play this animation by clicking on play just down here. I can change the speed by double clicking and changing the speed from 7 up to 15, and the higher the number the slower the animation will go. So if I hit play now, it animates much more slowly.